Hello guys, to fix this Valorant error, that's what you need to do here. First of all, open up File Explorer, then you need to go to this PC, then you need to go to Disk C, go to Windows, then find System32 folder, then look for drivers folder, drivers here, and then on search, you just need to write Ene.sys, right? Then what you need to do here is to rename this particular file, right? So what you need to do here, of course, look for that file that is appearing on your error, but for me, it was yni.sys. Then you just need to rename it and then just write alt, right? And press continue. And then press yes. And then try to launch the game and issue should be solved. If the issue is not fixed, then try to uninstall all the basically apps that use RGB, like Synapse 4, I believe. It can cause by this app Gigabyte, RGB Fusion, and more. So look if you don't have any RGB apps here, and if you do, just uninstall them and look if the problem persists. That's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.